Stop scrolling if you're considering home renovations, because today we're tackling a question on everyone's mind. How much does it cost to replace windows? It's a valid concern, considering it's a major part of your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Now, the cost varies significantly, and here's why. Factors like window type, size, and installation complexities play a crucial role. It's like navigating a maze with prices ranging from £500 to over £2,000 per window. But fear not, we've got a solution. Thorough research is your best friend in this journey. Explore different options and consider energy-efficient window variants. Believe it or not, they could actually save you money in the long run. Before you set a budget for your window replacement, arm yourself with the right information. Knowledge is power, and we're here to help you make the best decision for your home. Now let's talk about benefits. Energy-efficient windows not only contribute to a greener planet, but can also lead to significant savings on your energy bills. It's an investment that pays off over time. Want to dive deeper into the cost and benefits of replacing windows? Leave us a message, comment below, get in touch by phone or email, or visit our Altrincham showroom and see our products on display. We're ready with the know-how to guide you through this important decision. At Manchester Window Factory, we understand that the cost of window replacement is a key consideration. Let us be your partner in this journey, providing the expertise you need to make the right choices for your home. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video.